A day in my life as a work from home mom, solo parent edition. Good day everyone! Today is Sunday and I wake up cuddling with Cookie. Dito sila natulog sa kwarto kasi kapag weekend, nagre-request talaga si Jeff na tumabi sa akin at nauna na siyang bumaba habang si Cookie naghihintay lang rin na bumangon ako at pumunta kami sa kusina. So we got up together and nag-prepare ako ng breakfast namin ni Jeff. It's just a simple breakfast. I just decided to fry some hot dogs for Jeff at ako naman nag-toast lang ng bread and nagtimpla na rin ng hot coffee. I don't usually make coffee kapag weekend, but today is an exception and I decided to make one because there are days that you just want something different on how you spend your weekends, right? Usually I spend my weekends going out and take a breath of fresh air, pero sa Christmas season ngayon, ang dami ring tao sa labas, so I decided to just stay at home. I resort to just relax at home and just enjoy time with Cookie and Jeff. At also I avoid going out para rin makatipid kasi pure swipe na lang ako sa card ko these past few days and baka matulala na lang ako kapag na-receive ko na ang aking statement at magsaklolo para mabayaran ito. Wala naman akong saklolohan kundi ako lang rin. Kaya disiplina muna at magstay lang sa bahay. Actually, I lost track na rin sa expenses ko dahil nag-out of town kami ni Jeff. Then I also allocated gifts for my family. Tapos manghandaan pa sa Pasko and everything in between. So basically, ewan ko na lang at naubos na ang aking bonus ay. Kaya dito na lang kami sa bahay kasama si Cookie at today tinatamad nga rin ako magluto. Nag-relax lang ako sa bahay after ko maglinis ng konti at itong si Cookie buhay prinsesa at hindi tinutulungan maglinis ang mama niya na kahilata lang. When dinner time na, I decided to order some food online na lang dito sa Coles Kansi kasi we're craving some beef bone marrow and soup at nagpito na lang ako ng tuyo dahil mas gusto ko talaga ang dalawang klase ng ulam. I wanted my soup to be a little spicy so I added some green chili at pinakuluan ko lang ng konti dahil hindi na siya masyadong mainit nung dumating. Ang laki ring serving nito and our dinner is ready. Hindi pa makag-get over si Cookie sa paglalaro at gusto pong makipag-bonding sa amin pero kakain na kami para hindi lumamig yung sabaw at nakakaawa nga kasi nabitin pa siya at gustong makipaglaro sa amin. Naghintay na lang siya sa amin habang kumakain at nagpaawa effect na naman sa mama niya oy. I just decided to relax the whole day today and didn't do much but nakita ko itong box ng grocery ko na kailangan ko na ilagay sa mini pantry cabinet so I decided to finally organize it. Ilang araw na ang lumipas nung mag-grocery ako at ngayon ko nga lang ito nabigyan ng pansin. Itong ibang dilata na binili ko, niluluto ko na yan kapag gusto ko ng panandalian ng ulam at ayaw ko magluto ng bongga in some days so lifesaver ito para sa akin. Charing. And so my day ended with more on relaxing and a little bit of household chores and organization so I had to get ready for bed. Nakatulog na si Jeff sa kakahintay sa akin na umakyat sa itaas. When I went to my room, I just checked few things na dapat kong i-update or emails and my day ended just like that. I will be taking a pause and doing some vlogs in the next few days and might do this every other day to give some time to other things as well, and I also cannot wait to share something special for me in the next few days. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!